Designing Global Sustainability Systems. One Community Weekly Progress Update, number 607.
One Community is a 501c3 nonprofit organization. We are creating open source and free shared blueprints and resources, tools and tutorials, and do-it-yourself instructions for highest good living. Creating solution models that create additional solution creating models in the service of all life on this planet. This includes highest good approaches to food, energy, housing, education, for-profit and non-profit business creation, society, and true earth stewardship.
Welcome back again. Jay here for our November 4th, 2024 edition of Weekly Progress Update. If you're in the United States, you're watching this in time, vote your values. And voting your values is a great opportunity for me to introduce today's topic, which is related to One Community's values. And that topic is designing global sustainability systems. And the global sustainability systems that we are designing, you can see happening in the background of the video, and they cover the foundations of sustainability that we have broken into two different categories. The physical foundations of sustainability, which everybody's familiar with, they're food, energy, and housing. And we're combining those with the emotional foundations of sustainability, which we've identified and call highest good approaches to fulfilled living, education, economics, and stewardship. And we're putting all these together to create teacher demonstration hubs because if you're watching this, you're probably somebody that already agrees that humanity is facing some pretty huge challenges right now, covering everything from our food and our water and the air that we breathe to how we're living and not having enough, not having access to high quality education or even energy infrastructure or try that again, or internet access in many cases around the world. You know, these basic foundations, social injustice and inequality. There's so many different areas that humanity is grappling with right now. How we're dealing with our waste as a population, as a species, so recycling and reusing and repurposing things. And so One Community set about 14 years ago, we set about the path and with the goal to create a solution model that includes all the solution models for all these different areas: food, energy, housing, fulfilled living, education, economics, and stewardship, and putting it all together in one place because we see all of these things as not only interrelated, but as interdependent, as directly connected to each other and interdependent to the degree that it's like a web, and that fixing one of these issues without addressing all of them is really like a band-aid versus a true comprehensive solution. And so we wanted to design global sustainability systems that were a comprehensive solution and combined all these areas into one, and open source and free share the do-it-yourself instructions, tools, tutorials, resources, and plans for replicating all this so that people anywhere in the world will know exactly how much is it going to cost, how much time and energy will it take, and what are the step-by-step plans for replicating the solutions in whatever area is most important and most necessary for them. So that area might be food or energy or housing, but it might also be like a culture of growth and development and fulfilled living, or it could be a home-based education program and a higher quality education model built on the most progressive and amazing alternative education models in the world, taking the best of all those and putting those together. And that idea of taking the best of all those and putting those together, which in the case of education was Waldorf, Montessori, Reggio, Orff. We even looked at Study Tech, 8 intelligences, which is now 9 intelligences. And we took the best of those and put them all together. We've done the same thing for all these other areas. We've done it for food infrastructure. We've done it for housing, energy infrastructure, for housing infrastructure. We've done it for the culture of fulfilled living and the social architecture and recreational models. We've done it for, obviously, education, the economic models, as well as stewardship. We're putting all this together to create teacher demonstration hubs that will open source and continue to open source and free share and evolve these plans and work together with other teacher demonstration hubs around the world to create solution models designed to create additional solution creating models. That's a mouthful. What does that mean? It's like a 3D printer that can 3D print itself. Creating solution models, teacher demonstration hubs designed to teach other people how to create these teacher demonstration hubs as well. And the teacher demonstration hubs teach everything necessary to replicate all the food infrastructure and the energy infrastructure and the housing infrastructure and the social architecture and the economic models and the education models, all these different things, how to replicate and to evolve them. And so we are open sourcing all of that. And this is our idea for designing global sustainability systems. Create an open source model that combines all the foundations for radical sustainability into one place. Open source and free share that, invite people to come and experience that place, which is one community, and open source and free share it so that we can make it easy enough, affordable enough, and demonstrate to those watching what it is that we're doing and experiencing what it is that we're doing as attractive enough for the idea to spread on its own. And because we're making it easy enough, affordable enough to build a global cooperative of teacher demonstration hubs and communities around the world working together to create a world that works for everyone, and to not just to evolve these global sustainability systems to include options that will be applicable everywhere, anywhere. Some model that's an option for people everywhere. And so we're starting with the Earth Bag Village because it is the most globally applicable, including the energy infrastructure and the housing and the food infrastructure and, of course, the education model, all those different details. We're open sourcing all this. We're an all-volunteer team coming together to do this. We have over 200 volunteers working together every single week to collaborate on this. We report on our week and our weekly progress updates. So if you want to see that, you can visit our website, our blog, and see exactly what our all-volunteer team has accomplished going back for over a decade, seeing every single week what it is that we've been working on, what it is that we've been moving forward on, what it is that we've been accomplishing as we create these open source plans, as we're designing these global sustainability systems for the highest good of all people and life on this planet. And the coolest thing about it is we get to live this way. Like, we're building this because we want to live this way. We're building this because we want to invite other people to come and participate with us, because we want to take this whole process that we've been doing virtually with our global team and supercharge it on the ground, creating these, super improved food, energy, housing, education, economic models, and demonstrating what's really possible when people with shared values and interests come together to create a world that works for everyone, working together, demonstrating what lifestyle design is really capable of when you build on a radical foundation of sustainability and using this and the easy to follow free shared plans that we're developing to build all this, improving those plans, open sourcing and free sharing our improvements of that, and trailblazing a path to global transformation and meaningful change on a global scale. Meaningful change on a global scale by creating the ultimate grassroots movement of people creating better lives for themselves and the people that they care about. Because it's never been easier to collaborate globally. It's never been easier to share something like this, innovative designs and plans like what it is that we're creating. And so this is what we're doing. We're creating state-of-the-art plans because we see it as not only valuable, but as critical in this day and age to address the greatest challenges that humanity is facing right now in a way that can be replicated globally, in a way that anyone can participate in a way that actually has the potential to scale globally and to truly, truly address the foundations and to solve these problems and to create a world that works for everyone, a sustainable planet, a sustainable civilization, so that everyone who wants to participate has an option to do that. And to do that, we need to make it easy enough, affordable enough, and demonstrate it's attractive enough to create this self-replicating, to create a global cooperative and a global collaborative of organizations and groups and teacher demonstration hubs working together, designing global sustainability systems, evolving this global sustainability system, and creating more and more options, more and more diverse ways of demonstrating this. So if you like this sort of thing, visit our website and subscribe to our weekly progress updates. Like and subscribe to this channel if you'd like to support us in the easiest way possible. Visit our helping page if you'd like to help out. There's ways for anybody to help out, a whole diversity of different ways to help out there. If you'd like to see exactly what we've done in the last week, visit our weekly progress update blog. If you'd like to see all the open source content, of course, visit our website. And visit us on social media if you'd like to follow us there. We're on all the different social media accounts. And know that, of course, until next week, we will keep on keeping on designing these global sustainability systems and inviting the world to participate, because the world we know is possible is being created right now by us and a lot of other people doing great things around the world. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.
The one community approach to highest good housing is eco-artistic home building that is affordable, sustainable, do-it-yourself duplicable, resource and space efficient, and consists of 7 different sustainably constructed village models. One Community is also creating an open-source duplicable city center. It is designed to be LEED Platinum certified, provide 12 guest rooms, dining for over 150 people, and laundry and recreation space for over 300 people, all while saving money, time, space, and resources. One Community's approach to highest good food is duplicable almost anywhere, scalable for different needs, more biodiverse and nutritious, part of forwarding a global open-source botanical garden collaborative, and includes 9 different free, shared, and duplicable growing environments. One Community's approach to highest good education is designed for all age groups, adaptable to any schooling environment, inspiring and fun for all participants, includes national standards, all subjects, lesson plans, teaching strategies, learning strategies and tools, classroom design, and more. The One Community approach to highest good society is globally focused, individually enriching, cooperative and collaborative, includes a highest good network and application, 4 different economic models, and combines fulfilled living and true earth stewardship for the benefit of all people and all life on this planet.